Are you rolling out Workspace ONE, Horizon, or one of the Omnissa productivity apps and want to accelerate your end-user adoption? The Omnissa Adoption Kits and Wizard webpage allows you to easily create customized web and email banners with a professional look and feel to promote your end-user adoption campaign. Let's see how. Let's navigate to techzone.omnissa.com/adoption-wizard and select your banners. We will begin by selecting the theme of our banner. We can choose between 2 predefined illustration designs and a customizable photo design. Let's choose the Workspace illustration design. There are many places to use a banner, such as your corporate intranet page, internal social channels, and email templates. We can choose from 9 banner sizes based on our preferred corporate communication channels. Let's select a regular email banner ad size, 650 by 200. If we were to choose the customizable photo design, we would need to choose an image that both represents our organization and fits within the design and size requirements. We should also ensure we have the usage rights to any image we choose. We can always just keep the photo you see in the example by leaving the image section as is. Depending on the size you select, the image will be resized to render correctly within the banner. In step 2, we will customize our banner. We can leave the pre-written slogan in the heading and subheading or change it to something more aligned with our overall campaign theme. We will then select the heading and subheading colors. If needed, we can apply our corporate color palette. This should be available in your corporate brand guide. Now, let's insert our company logo. We can include the Omnissa logo if we want, and we can customize the background, button, and the accent color as well. Once we are satisfied with the banner, click the export button to download the final version of the customized banner in PNG or JPEG formats. Use PNG for full quality and JPEG for smaller size files. Last but not least, let's insert a link to a desired location, such as a web page or FAQ document. Readers can click on the Get Started button to find more information about the new tool. I hope you enjoy using the Adoption Kit Wizard. Don't forget to look at all other Adoption Kits and Wizard modules to create more assets for your end-user adoption campaign, including enrollment guides, FAQs, and project planners. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to useradoption@omnissa.com. Enhance the experience of your Workspace ONE and Horizon users with the Adoption Kit Wizard.